should start the taste test.
Actually, I was just helping the movers solve a problem.
In fact, it's an idea emergency.
I can't stop. Bless you. Sneezing. And my nose is all itchy.
Sounds like you have allergies.
That's it!
Yeah. Nitnots is right. Sometimes things in the air give you red, itchy eyes.
Or a rash.
Or sneeze a whole lot.
Bless you.
Maybe I do have allergies. But why do they keep making me sneeze?
You know, Dave, I'm glad you asked. I'll show you. Little bits of what you're allergic to are floating in the air all around you. And when you breathe, they go inside your body. And your body doesn't like that. So, it makes you sneeze them away.
Oh, dear. Even the way you movers sneeze is exciting. Nina, I'll see you back at the office when you're done with all this excitement.
Okay, Uncle Nitnuts.
Bye.
So, I'm allergic to something in the air.
Right, but you do need air to breathe.
I just wish I could breathe some different air.
Now, if only there were something that could keep Dave from breathing the air that's making him sneeze.
Wait, that's it. When astronauts go into outer space, they wear special spacesuits to keep them from breathing air that might harm them.
So we'll rocket Dave into outer space!
Yeah!
Or we could just put him in a spacesuit.
Yeah, even better.
Perfect. You're good to go. That looks great, Dave. You look just like a real astronaut.
Are you sneezing in there?
Great job, movers. We stopped Dave sneezing.
Yeah!
Now let's see if you can fix voicemail.
Woo!
Movers, we have a problem. I don't think this is gonna work.
Yeah, it looks like it's hard to fix things when you're in an astronaut suit.
Yeah, and Dave can't keep wearing this suit forever.
We're gonna have to find another way to stop Dave sneezing.
Yeah, well, we can't keep what he's allergic to away from his